the Disney series, and today we're gonna be doing a scar from the Lion King. If you want to learn how to do this look, just keep watching.
We're going to start by putting our contacts in, and for the scar I'm going to use the 3rd degree compound by mixing A and B in equal parts and put it in on top of my eyebrow and under my eye to create that scar has. Try to work it carefully and fast because it dries really fast. After this, we're going to put our foundation, and I'm using my MAC foundation that I use every day. We have to set this foundation with some loose powder. And for this look, I want it to look very tan, so I'm going to be tanning all my body with this bronzer. Our glam will be completed with a highlighter, so I'm using Becca Cosmetics. And using this blush, I'm going to add some texture and 3D effect to our scar. For the eyes, I'm using this palette from Kat Von D with earth tones to achieve a earth tone smoky eye. By using a liquid liner, I'm going to add a cat eye, a very dramatic cat eye, and I'm going to do these lines under my eyes to look more like a cat or feline. I'm going to paint these inner corners of my eyes in white. For the eyebrows, I'm going with a dark black look, and this is an eye pencil from Beauty For Real. I'm going to add these altitude lashes in Queen Bee. And for the lips, I'm going with a black lipstick from Jordana Cosmetics.
Well, and this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And you could also leave me on the comments, what villain should I do next? Remember, you can follow me in all my social media, is in the description box. So see you in my next video.